tell I've scorped quite a bit up here now as I'm pulling in the bow and pulling it down and pulling it in, but I'm also finding the sides now. You can tell the difference down here. This is where I just kind of roughed it. I started working back here, but we're going to clean this up quite a bit, and we're going to pull in the stern. We're going to have a nice tight point back there. It's going to be a fast dugout for as far as dugouts go. Well, here we are, day whatever. Bottom's really shaping up, folks. Been working the ends mostly today. Again, the bow is really evening out well. Pulled it in quite a bit on this side to try and even it. I even pulled it in over here too. I was really evening it out earlier today. Cleaned up the sides a little bit. We're trying to find the edges and get a good little bevel to it. And then I've started pulling in the stern, and I pulled it in quite a bit, if you can't tell. Using the natural pinch from this starboard side as a spot to start pulling it in. She's going to have a nice, long, lean blade, and she's going to steer really well, but I think she's going to be very fast for dugout canoe. But yeah, look at that stern. It's shaping up now, and it still looks a little off. I got to pull a bunch more off this side here, but we're evening out. The bottom, the point isn't quite right. I've been doing, kind of eyeballing it the whole time, but we're actually making the finish lines now. So we're going to even this out before we flip it, and I'm working on that. But we're coming down pretty nicely here, and I pulled it in quite a bit and down. We're going to have a nice bevel on the end too, a shovel nose on either end with a point, so it steers. Looking pretty good. Here's the port side, flip of course. Smoothed it out through there a little bit where the knots are. This side really doesn't need as much attention. It's got a pretty nice line to it, and there's hardly any knots compared to the starboard side. So there you have it. Looking good, man. Canoe.